What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Businessman Cam here, your local businessman, back with another video. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day or great night whenever you guys are watching this video. I'm not even sure, but today I pretty much just got an insightful video and some info I'm going to be sharing with you guys about my channel and whatnot. But yeah, so as you guys can see on screen right now, I just have the first vehicle I did this day. I believe it was a Mercedes CLA 250, I want to say. And yeah, it wasn't too bad. But yeah, I just wanted to share some info with you guys. First off, that it is possible to make thousands of dollars off of one client. And if you wonder how, all it is recommendations and building relationships, guys. That is literally the #1 way you will ever get clients, and I realize that. Recommendations, first of all, it takes no money to do. You don't have to put up ads to do that. You know what I mean? It costs no money to get recommendations. So you're spending no money and you're making only profit. You know what I mean? So pretty much how I got hooked up with this car, this Mercedes, was, I put up an ad on Facebook, I believe, for detailing, and a lady that had owned a salon replied, and I ended up doing her vehicle one day that she was selling, which she ended up keeping. But yeah, she was supposed to sell this vehicle, and I ended up finding out she was a salon owner. So she asked me if I could do her her employees' vehicles every few weeks. And so that's how I got hooked up. This was the first vehicle of one of her employees that I've done. I also did her car this same day. And then I had one lady that I was going to start, but I ended up, kind of running out of time. She had to be out of the shop by a certain time. So we had rescheduled. So I have her, I believe, in like a week or so. And then a few other people wanted their cars done, but I didn't have time on this certain day. So, especially because it was scorching hot this day. It was like 96 degrees, and I wasn't trying to just stay out there freaking sweating my butt off for this. But yeah, so this business alone, just because I've created such a good relationship with this lady, she really loves me, and I'm really nice, really professional with her, and my pricing is obviously very good with her. She pretty much just said, every few weeks she'll have 2 or 3 vehicles lined up for me, and I could just do a little frenzy, and just from that also, I had the shop next door. A few ladies come up to me and they asked me about my pricing and whatnot. So I'm gonna set them up, and relationships is just gonna be your best friend, guys. Trust me on that. If you can build good relationship with your clients, and obviously doing a good job, as well as being thorough and being just a nice person overall, you'll get recommended, 1, and 2, you'll be able to make a lot of money off of one person. So this one client that I've had, I've already made a few $100s off of doing 3 or 4 of their different vehicles, and I'm also saving time and money because I don't have to drive anywhere else to find these people. They're all going to be at the same spot at the same time every single time I schedule. You know what I mean? So definitely recommend just building good relationships with people. This is one of the first very luxurious cars, I guess you could say, that I've done, and it was all through her. You know what I mean? So that was really nice. Not one of the first. I mean, I've done a good amount, but like, I don't know. To me, this is like a really like top of the line type of car. Like, Mercedes are pretty nice and they're really expensive. So I don't know. It just felt really good to be trusted with types of cars like these, and this is kind of what I'm trying to build my business off of. Detailing luxurious cars like this. That's kind of what I want to build up to. After I pretty much just decontaminated the whole car, I put some iron remover, APC at the bottom. Here I just foam canned and then I'm using the the foam cannon, I guess, lubrication to what am I trying to say? I'm using it to clay bar the rest of the vehicle so I get the rest of the little decontaminants off. This wasn't even like a very this wasn't supposed to be like a very detailed detail. It was actually like the payment was low because it was just kind of a basic wash, basic interior. But first time customer, I always want to do more than what I'm supposed to, so I can keep them around for a long time and keep them impressed, which I'm assuming I'm not gonna get into super detail, but I'm assuming that's why I got a pretty good tip on this detail from doing this. Here's a vehicle I was gonna start, but I just realized it was way too much and I didn't have enough time. So this is a lady that I rescheduled with for like I already told you guys, like a week from now or something. But you guys can see she has kids. Every seat's like super dirty and stained up, and she wants me to take care of all that, and I just didn't have enough time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done for her when I reschedule. But besides that, I have some other things that I need to talk to you guys about, some updates, some new videos that are going to be coming out, and some other things on this channel. Here's the owner's vehicle I ended up doing since I didn't do the other vehicle, the other employee's vehicle, but here's a quick little pan through of the before. But quickly, before this video ends, I just wanted to give you guys a few updates on some other type of videos I'm going to be doing, just so you detailing people that are subscribed are aware of where my channel is also going to be going besides detailing. First things first is today in like 4 hours I'm getting up to go garage sailing, and I'm going to get into eBay resales. The Facebook marketplace and resale place around here is pretty big market, so I'm hoping I can get into that. I know it could be difficult sometimes, but I'm willing to learn, and I'm going to strap up my GoPro tomorrow. And I know the garage sale videos seem to be pretty popular on YouTube, so I'm going to get into that and take you guys through my journey of how my reselling goes and how much money and profit I can make from that. And then the other thing is vending machines. I might be getting some locations. I know vending machine videos are kind of old, but they're mainly just going to be for learning and whatnot. But yeah, I'm going to try to get into the vending machines. I got some few locations I'm going to be checking out, but looks like the video is about to be over, so I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.